Well, hey everybody, just a really quick video because I'm making dinner and I want to show you our Better Than Bush's canned beans, and I'm going to open them. It's one of my most popular videos that I've made in a few years, and I want to show you what they look like coming out of the jar. So I'm going to open these and we're going to put it in this pan right here. So I'm going to show you what they look like. Here goes. Okay, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Go. Pop the seal. Okay, that's what it looks like on the top. I should probably get another jar because there's 3 of us. But I'll show you guys this one. Okay, I gotta get the rest out of there, but this is what that looks like. Let me get a spoon. Okay, so I just went with the one because we've got some salad and we've got some tater tots we're going to make. So this is what it looks like. They are delicious. I just tasted them cold out of the jar. The beans are not soggy. Okay, so I've opened a lot of these jars, but I don't think I've showed any on camera still. You guys hear that? These beans are crunchy beans. So when you warm them up, they're not gonna get soggy. They're not. Look at that. Delicious beans. So you just warm them in the microwave, or you can warm them in a pan on the stove, and you have a delicious Better Than Bush's baked beans. Homemade, right out of your own jar in your own pantry. I forget how many of these I made, but it's probably time to make more. I think I have 4 jars left, and with my son back and my husband and me, yeah, these are gonna go really quickly now. So especially with 4th of July coming, although I'm opening them now, and we're just having bratwurst and sausage and bratwurst and peppers and onions. So yeah, so I can't wait to have these. These are so delicious, you guys. I am going to put the link at the top of this and in the description box. So if you have not made these, if you haven't checked out that video, go check out my video. These are Better Than Bush's canned beans. Absolutely delicious. Go try them if you haven't tried them, and the recipe is pinned to the comment section as well as in the description box of that video. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys soon.